Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a short story unboxing to share with you. Short Story is a petite tailored subscription service. So it is similar to your traditional fashion subscription service, but the unique thing about this one is it goes up to a size 16 in clothing, as well as it caters to, I want to say, height 5'4" to 5'5" and below. So the 4'11s, the 4'12s, the 5'1s. This box is catered for persons like myself and you. So I've been corresponding with, I want to say, the founder or co-founder, which is Miss Isabella. She's been awesome, very personable, very friendly. And I'm just so excited to share this unboxing with you. There is a styling fee associated with this subscription service. They did get a flux of new inquiries and new sign-ons, perhaps from Miss Jen video or maybe Miss Heather. I signed up and learned of the service from Miss Heather, and then I found Jennifer's video, and those were the only two that was up at the time. The Oriental lady, the Vietnamese Korean lady who is very popular here on YouTube, she recently, in the month of May, also covered the box. So I will link those channels below, those particular short story videos, if you would like to reference it to kind of get a feel of what all type of styles and heights under that 5'5" that they cater to. The styling fee, I want to say, is $20 or $25. Give me 1 second and I'll find that information for you. You can also check the description box below to obtain it. I will also share with you my referral link, which would get your first month. You'll either get a $25 credit or your first month styling would be free. But bear in mind, they're a small business out in California. They're just getting started, and so there may be a little bit of delay, but they will get to you. And they do take every bit of your notes into consideration. They're not brushed off. We won't waste any more time looking for the styling fee. Again, I'll insert it here somewhere on the screen where you'll be able to see it, and it'll be in the description box below. So I'm going to get the bundles out, put the box down. Can I do this without? So I have two bundles here. They were stacked on top of each other like so. This is what it looks like. This just screams Fiesta. And like that. So I'm gonna get into here. Let me show it to you again. Because when I look at the videos back, I notice I kind of do it a little too quickly. Lovely, curated by Short Story. I'm personally 5'3", but I'm on the lower end of it during there 5'2", and I struggle with my weight. I can be as low as an 11, 12, and as up there as a 22. No one's trying to go back there. But it's good to know that 14s and 16s is honored with this subscription service. So you do get to preview. They do email you and notify you that you can go and take a look at what your stylist has pulled for you. And you can thumb it up and thumb it down and leave in a little box why. And they will, like Trunk Club, try to, the piece that you thumb down or say no to, select something else. So this is the first thing. This was one of the things I kept. I'm not over the cold shoulder because I wasn't in it when it was really trendy and hot. I just wasn't shopping for myself. So when I saw this, I don't own a lot of plaid. I do like certain types of gingham and plaid and herring tooth, so I wanted to give that a try. The next thing we have here is a pair of jeans with an unfinished hem, and this is by a company called Rainn. I've never heard of them before. Rainn Denim, London, Los Angeles. I'm sorry, and I'm gonna go back and tell you who that company is. This is Rainn, the Skinny D Jean crop mid-rise crop skinny fit. And this is what it says here. And this is a 33, and I don't have any 33s, so there you go, something unique right there. And this shirt was by a company called Boobay in an extra large, and it does have like the little yoga type of symbol thing there. Bombay extra large. Oh, I like NYDJ denim of New York. And this is a nice soft stripe top. I do like this. It's light and thin. Let me start looking in these tags like my buddy here on YouTube, Kayla. She will tell you the bee's knees, honey, when it comes to what it's made out of. This is an extra large. NYDJ, made in China, if anyone needs to know that. It's cotton. It's just saying cotton, but I feel like it's blended with something else. If I find it, I'll leave it in the description box. But I like that this is just a lightweight V-neck. It has a pleated back here in the center. We have some loop buttons, loop closure, and it's looking like, is it faux or operable? No, it's operable. So they're not pretend, but it's like it'll be a pain. And then you have a short sleeve cuff. So I like to see how that looks on. They definitely took the weather into consideration. Aren't these the cutest little shorts? When I saw these in the preview, like the preview pictures, I think is a little bit better than fashions, so you can see it a bit better, but I couldn't see all the beauty of this. But I knew I wanted to try it. It does have a tie. This is a petite extra large from a company called DR2. And does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets. That is cute. Cute as a button, guys. And then lastly, we have here this Camuto. Oh, wow. It's somewhat flip to flare, but it has a halter top. I like this. It's very bright and corally. It's got a nice weight. It has a coordinating liner. It has a zipper back. This is in a 14. I'm excited to try this on, you guys. This is pretty. So I'm going to get out of this, try these things on, and we're going to talk about it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. So I have the first outfit on, which is the boubé top and the frame denim. These are too small. And I've been requesting not mid or low rise, but high rise, because I just find that they work better. I have them on, but they're like here versus maybe here. And they're buttoned up, but again, they're too small. I'll see if they have a 34, but I do have this color wash. I do already have like the little discoloration, like the little whitewash here on it, so I don't have to have it. And the top is a little tight, and it was tricky to get into it. You will need a half a bra. I brought everything up here, camis, leggings, or whatever, and then didn't even think to bring the half a bra, so I just took the straps down so you could see it. The shirt is a maybe, depending on the price. I kind of like it, and I'm going down in weight, so I think it'll be fine if I do decide to keep it. But the jeans, Like I said, I have them on, but they're tight in the thigh, and I couldn't fasten it across here. I had to go under. So yeah, that will be a no. So I'm in the pink and white striped shirt, and this was by the New York company. You would think I had, hold on a second. Okay, so I'm in the NYDJ roll sleeve boyfriend shirt, thin stripe Primrose. It's light, it's comfortable. It's a probably could go a size down in this one. Yeah, I could go one size down, even though I'm getting that it should be slightly oversized. It's just a smidget too oversized. Let me step back some so you can see what I mean. So it's almost like a cut off night shirt. On the side, it's got the split. You know, when I go to edit, all the words come to me. So I think I lose about 35% of my brain when I start recording. But like a scallop edge here. And this is the back. This is $38.98. I think just for the style and what it is, I wouldn't want to pay that. And if I didn't say before, the jeans were $85, and the cold shoulder type top by Boubet multi-check was $24.99, which wasn't bad. It was just hellish to get on and off. Let me try the next thing on. All right, well, we have a winner out of the box. Now, I'm home alone, and it does require zipping. And I'm able to, like, do this, and I'm reaching, and I'm like, oh, hell. But how I can tell for sure that I can fit it just fine is when I pinch the back. It comes together with no problems, and I have about a ½ inch of extra space to work with. So, I know for a fact that this isn't too small, and I just needed someone home to zip it up for me. I think these particular type of colors, green, deep greens, and corals just seem to really work with my complexion. I think this is a very nice dress. You know what I'm... Oh, well, look what we got. I was about to say, if it just had pockets. So this is a winner. This is Fits Camuto. I love his brand. When I'm able to get it at an affordable price, I do, and you know, it fits well and it looks good on me, I do snatch it up. This is $48.85, my friend. So I really love this. This is so beautiful, and it just really works with me. And my frame and my height. I would turn around, you guys. It's just I'm not zipped up all the way, but it fits beautifully as is right now. And like I said, I can pull it all the way up and cinch it, and so I know I'm good to go. I just need assistance with zipping this thing up and down. This is the keeper. So I can tell you right now, if I was able to fit everything and wanted everything, the grand total would have been $215.11. They do have a price, I want to say there is like a, if you buy so many, maybe you get a discount, but I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm going to be very descriptive in the description box below, so definitely refer to it for any additional information, and where I can put in cue cards inside of the video to provide additional information, I will do that. Unfortunately, the jeans were too tight. I don't want any low or mid-rise jeans right now. They need to be high-waisted. I just find that they're more complimentary for me. The shorts, I'm on the fence, but I'm leaning more towards a no. The two tops are a no. The dress is a definite yes. I think the price structure on this was balanced. It was comparable and fair. $24, $25 shirts, $17 shorts, $30, $39 on the boyfriend top. It wasn't too bad, could have been better. The jeans was a fair price for the material, the wash, and style. And I think this dress is a steal. So the dress is a definite keeper. Okay, I'm going to sit down and come back to you with the Fat Fit Fun. And yeah, if anything else comes to mind that I didn't mention in the recording of this video, I will leave that information and all corresponding links in the description box below. If you decide to give short stories a try, which I would highly recommend doing so, if you would like, it would be awesome if you use my referral link. It just, as all the other channels say, it just allows us to be able to present these videos and show you what is out there and what the things are running. So thanks for watching, sharing your time. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.